What is up, YouTube fam? Everybody's been wanting to hear like exhaust videos, or exhaust video, I guess, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna hurry up and make one before I go to work, and I just lost all my lighting. But yeah, it's just real quick, and maybe this weekend we'll come up with some new media or footage, whatever the fuck it's called, dude. Alright, let's get a little cold start action. See y'all's asses. Was probably too much for the people in the house or apartment behind me. Fuck them. It's the best part right here. There's a fucking hill to roll down. Shots fucking fired. Fuck, the camera's on this side. I'm looking at my fucking hand. So yeah, just made it to Walmart, and that whole little dig I just did, the fucking car wasn't even aired up. I was still slammed. Hopefully I didn't damage anything. Really don't give a fuck because they sell more of everything. But yeah, I gotta hurry up, run here, get some food, and then go back and get ready for work. Friday, TGIF, man. Drop a comment, subscribe, like this video, share it, do whatever you want. Let people know about the Liddy Click. Damn, mama. But yeah. See y'all next time, fam.